Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can send XRP to your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what I'm going to do is open up my web browser and go to my Phantom wallet. I'm going to sign in. Alright, now from here we need to send XRP to Phantom wallet. So let's go see if we can. Alright, I'm going to click on the receive button and then I'm going to scroll down and see if XRP here is accepted. And no, it isn't, no XRP. Alright, so yeah, Phantom is a Solana based wallet, which you need to keep in mind that supports Sol, SPL tokens, and now also Ethereum, Matic, Polygon, and Bitcoin networks. Ripple runs on its own network, so you cannot directly send XRP to Phantom. If you do, your funds might be lost, so I suggest not to. So what I suggest, if you want to send XRP to Phantom, you want to swap your XRP to a supported token. For example, swap it for Sol or USDC. So you can use a centralized exchange to do this, like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, and then just simply swap over your XRP for a token supported by Phantom. Then withdraw that token to your Phantom wallet address. So say if you swapped over your XRP to Solana, we want to go ahead and copy. If I go back here, we want to click on receive, click on Solana, and then you want to copy this address and then paste this at Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, and then send that over to your Phantom wallet like so.